You're just getting into making cocktails at home, or you're looking for the ultimate birthday or Christmas present, then this Barman's Barware kit or cocktail kit is one of our biggest and best sellers, and it's just got everything you need to start making cocktails at home. I'm going to take you through a bit of an unboxing and you'll see why it's a best seller, because it's brilliant. It's just everything in here that you need. So it comes in a cool little tube, and don't worry, everything already comes like bubble wrapped and sealed like that. I've just taken it out to make it easier for you guys, so we can run you through quickly what I've got in here. Let's get everything out. So we've got, here we go, let's get it all. We have got here, so we've got, most importantly to start off with, we've got our Boston shaker, and I'm quite like my Boston shakers. I'm not a big fan of like three-piece, sort of three-piece cobbler shakers, if you like. I do like a Boston shaker. So you get your glass, your Boston glass, and you get your Boston shaker like that. So much easier to shake cocktails in that, because it just slips apart like that. You never get the little ends, the kind of three-piece bits stuck in there. So we've got a Boston glass and a Boston tin there, perfect. We've got a Hawthorne strainer, which goes on top there to stop your ice coming out or any large bits of fruit. We've got a double strainer, or a tea strainer essentially, but a sieve, cocktail sieve. So you can double strain. That'll just stop any little tiny shards of ice in your martinis, or any little tiny bits of raspberry or bits of pulp, fruit pulp like that. So you double strain like that. So that's what that's for. We've got a julep strainer. Again, if you're if you're stirring down old fashions, or even better, rum fashions, because rum's better than whiskey. But if you're stirring down drinks like that and you've got large chunks of ice, sometimes you don't want to use your Hawthorne strainer. You just kind of use your julep strainer in there or in there. So that's what that is. We've got probably one of the most important things that you need is a jigger. 25mm one end, 50mm double bubble down the other end. And I know what you're thinking, we don't need a jigger, we just free pour our cocktails. But I promise you, when you start measuring cocktails, they taste so much better, because cocktails are all about ratios, not about volumes, all right? So when you get the ratios of cocktails right, they start tasting amazing. All right, so you've got most important there, 25mm, little UK single measure, and then 50mm UK double bubble on there. So perfect there. We've got a muddler. So that's if you're muddling down like fresh fruit, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, stuff like that. You've got a little muddler down there, so you can just use that. We've got a bar spoon. I really like these bar spoons as well. I've got loads of these for my cocktail masterclasses. This is kind of what I use there. Nice there. So it's easy, you know, just slightly bigger. The only downside, slightly bigger than 5mm in the bowl of the spoon there, but because most bar spoons would be 5mm, but it's a perfect bar spoon there. And you've got the sort of the plate, the disc on the end there. So if you're doing shots, B52 shots, for instance, it's really easy to pour down there. So you have your little pourers coming onto these, your little pourers in the bottle. So your bottle of Baileys, for instance, do your B52s, you just pour it down there and it goes, and you can layer drinks easily on there, or you can use that to sort of muddle raspberries as well. And then you get three of your pourers. Medium flow taper pourers there, the little thing with that little valve, so you can control the sort of speed of the pour on there. So that is the Barman's cocktail kit, as I say, bestseller, perfect for you guys starting to make cocktails at home, a starter kit, or the perfect birthday or Christmas present.